So hi everyone, this is Pradeep Kuril from Finding with PK. So in today's video, we are going to have a look at another tool which is called Kling 3.0. So Higgsfield recently launched their new tool which is called Kling 3.0. So it is a state-of-the-art video engine powered by Kling, built specially to live inside professional production pipelines. So Kling 3.0 is a next generation AI video model that turns scripts, images, references, and audio into fully structured cinematic sequences. Built on a multimodal training framework, it combines multi-shot directions, native audio, element consistency, and 15 seconds continuous generation all in a single model. The industry hasn't seen this level of coherence before. A unified video architecture that automatically manages generation, transformation, and visual consistency before the final export. Stories unfold in one continuous take, characters stay consistent as the camera moves, text remains readable, and dialogue feels grounded and intentional. In short, this is the best AI video model right now. Kling 3.0 supports text to video, image to video, reference to video, plus video content, add, remove, video modification, and transformation. All trained together inside one native model for stronger control and more accurate responses. Generates multi shot sequences in one run. The model follows scenes flow and automatically manages shot, this, camera positions, and transitions. Dialogue directly in model with character level speaking control, multilingual support, including dialects, and natural lip sync. Locks in the main character, key objects, and scene traits so they stay consistent even with zoom, pans, and camera movement. Produces clear, structured text for signs, subtitles, and generated lettering with minimal distortion on information loss. It supports flexible duration from 3 to 15 seconds in a single generation for longer continuity and more complex action logic. Higgsfield also supported Kling 3.0 Omni. So this is an upgrade of Kling 0.1 focused on higher references, fidelity, stronger instruction follow, and more expressive character performance. It has higher subject similarities, stronger prompt responsiveness, and fewer rendering artifacts. It uploads or records a 3 to 8 second character video to extract key visual traits and original vocal tone. For native audio for characters, the lip sync and more expressive delivery for more lifelike performances. It adds a short voice clip to give multi image character a consistent tone and more natural audiovisual expression. So, Kling 3.0 and its use cases. It supports action and physics heavy scenes like fight sequences, car movements, explosions, smoke, debris, and fast interaction that feel grounded instead of floaty or glitchy. It supports emotion driven close ups, faces that hold believable emotion, fear, tension, excitement, anger with consistent expressions and skin detail across shots. Macro and detail shots. Extreme close ups of hands, objects, faces, and materials without melting or loss of structure. Critical video content. Adds storefronts, UI mockups, subtitles, and signage where text must stay sharp and readable. Character interaction. Scenes with multiple people speaking, reacting, and moving together without identity or dialogue confusion. Advanced camera movement. Smooth tracking shots, push ins, pullbacks, and mechanical ring style motion that follows subjects naturally. So these were the features of Kling 3.0 and Kling 3.0 Omni, and I'll show you how we can generate. What are the steps that are involved to use Kling 3.0. So once you are on the Higgsfield.ai website, you can directly go on creating a video option. For example, if I'm on the home page of Higgsfield.ai, I can click on create video and it will bring the user interface of creating or generating a video through AI. So as you can see on the left side, I have selected Kling 3.0. You can change it to any AI model that you want to select and then generate the video. So there is also an option to upload your start frame or end frame. You can upload any pictures that you want to start from and end from it. And as I mentioned, it supports multi-shot. So if you want a video which should have multi-shots, then you can enable this option. And you can write your prompt in this section. And when I'll scroll down a bit, yes, you can see the model is selected as Kling 3.0. You can select different one as well from here. Then you can select the duration. As I mentioned, the Kling 3.0 supports 15 seconds of video generation. So this is a very great tool for the content creators. And you can select the aspect ratios from here. And you can also select the resolutions from 720p to 1080p. And after that, you can hit on generate. So it will create a video, and you can see what I am trying to tell you. And I'll put some examples of video here, and you can see how accurate and how promptly it creates a video for your imagination. I'll also show you, we just need to select the Kling 3.0 Omni AI model here, and then you can see the options, elements and frames, and it's the same thing. You can upload your pictures, and then you can give your prompt. You can see the model has been selected, Kling 3.0 Omni. You can select the durations. It supports only 10 seconds for now for Omni. And you can select the aspect ratios here, the resolutions. It also supports 1080p, so that's a great thing. And you can just hit the generate button and it will generate a video for you. So this is what in today's video I wanted to tell you all the details about Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield.ai. Hope you liked the video, and please go and check the links in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll bring more and more videos on the latest AI tools and also more videos from Higgsfield.ai. So thank you so much, guys, and have a nice day.